Yeah, if you're looking for a state-of-the-art Borescope, which is easy to use, very solid build, and comes even with some special features, then this ROVE RS2 two-way 180 degrees articulating Borescope could be an awesome choice. And I'm not only saying that, I've already been using it. I just had it here. I got it from the seller to show you. And when we had to find a way to put in some new wires in a boat, we had to find out if there's an opening in the double wall, and of course also where the opening is, so we could just put the wire through. There was no way to do that without such a Borescope, and this helped definitely a lot. So it's super easy to use. You can see it has 6 built-in LEDs, which can be adjusted in different brightness or turned off completely. Comes with this semi-rigid, pretty long 1.6 meter narrow gooseneck, which really has quite some decent stability. You can see when I pull this straight here, of course, in this length, it's bending down on its own. But when I have it like that, you can see that almost 2 feet long, it keeps exactly straight, even though it's really super thin. That also definitely helps. And the picture nice and clear, well illuminated, as you can see here directly on the screen. And you can also see here when I move it around that it's pretty much absolutely lag free. And here with this wheel we can point the camera up and down, no matter if it's deep inside of something. And we have the different modes: photo, video, playback. There's even an assistant light here in the back, which you can use also directly from this panel. And there's also a zooming function directly from here. Of course, in the video mode it records also the audio directly from here. And on the side we have this nice cover, which makes it of course somehow water resistant, where we have the charging port, and where we have the built-in 32 gigabytes micro SD card. Of course you can also use larger cards up to I think 64 gigabytes. And so you can see what's going on live, or after checking you can take out the micro SD card, put it into your computer or a reader, and then check even more in detail, because it has a really nice full 1080p resolution. So definitely worth to check a little bit more details than here, even though it has some really nice resolution already here with this nice super bright 4.3 inches screen. The set comes also with the charging cable included, and also with this really nice storage and transportation case. And the camera comes with a nice cap to protect the lens from any dirt. So overall a really great solution, has helped us a lot. So definitely not a really new innovation or something like that. I have seen similar articulating Borescopes already. But as a whole package with all the functions, how solid it's built, what's included here, I would say it makes it actually pretty attractive. Definitely worth checking out the link down in the description so you can see what you get for the price. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this ROVE RS2 articulating Borescope, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.